Hey everyone, so we're going to be doing our webbing page today. For webbing, it says choose a picture or word card to fill in each part of the web. So we're going to be answering these questions: what, who, where, why, and when. And we're going to cut out these cards first so that we can paste them to the correct box. The cards say Irwin family, Australia Zoo, wildfires hurt animals, Irwin family helps animals, 2019 and 2020. So the page that will best help you with this is your article. You can refer to the article to answer the questions, or you can just follow along with me, or you can have both. So, as always, we're going to start with the what. What did we read today? And the first thing we are able to do to find that answer is to look at the title of our article. If you look at the title of your article, is it called Irwin Family, Australia Zoo, Wildfires Hurt Animals, Irwin Family Helps Animals, or 2019 and 2020? And I'm sorry if you hear that banging sound. That's just happening downstairs. The answer is Irwin Family Helps Animals. That is the title of our article this week. Turn the volume up. So let's do our who. Let's answer who. Who did we read about? Who? Did we read about the Irwin family, Australia Zoo, wildfires hurt animals, or 2019 and 2020? Who usually refers to people or a person. So which one are people or a person? The answer is Irwin family. The Irwin family are the ones that helped the animals. Let's do the one right down here. Where? Where did this happen? Where is the Irwin family helping these animals? Is it at the Australia Zoo? Wildfires hurt animals? 2019, 2020. Where are they helping them? They are helping animals at the Australia Zoo. Next question is, why? Why are they helping these animals in the Australia Zoo? Why is the Irwin family doing that? Is it because wildfires hurt animals, or 2019 and 2020? Why? It is because wildfires hurt animals. They are helping animals because these animals are being hurt by the wildfire. When? When did this happen? And there's only one option left. So this happened 2019 and 2020. So last year and this year, because we are in 2020 right now. All right, very good. So let's review. What do we read about? Irwin Family Helps Animals is the title of our article. Irwin Family were the people in our article. Australia Zoo is the place in our article. Why do we read about Irwin Family Helps Animals? Because why did the Irwin family help the animals? Because the wildfires hurt them. And when did this happen? This happened in 2019 and 2020.